What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to talk about Instagram and influencer posts that you can turn into ads, and a nice little trick for Instagram to get a button on your profile. All right, welcome back. So I've been doing a little research here, and this was just since March. They started, this is Instagram now. They've been testing a new ad format, and what they're basically doing is making it so that when you pay like an Instagram influencer to do like a shout out or a post of some sort for your brand, then you can take that post and you can actually, once the influencer gives you the permission in the ads manager, basically they'll be able to go in and you'll be able to use that post as an ad, and you can actually run that ad and it'll show the post from that influencer. Pretty powerful stuff. Basically, there's supposed to be in the advanced settings, the brands will see the influencer's posts in the ads manager under existing posts. Okay, so I tried to play around with it a little bit. I'm not actually doing influencer posting at the moment. I may at some point, but I'd show you guys a demo, but I'm not actually doing it right now, so I don't know 100% how to do this. But you can find this article. I'll put a link to this article below, and basically why they're saying you should care is that about 150% more than a year ago is sponsored content. There's more video ads being put out. There's more like carousel style ads, and then of course your image style ads for brands and whatnot. So this is powerful stuff. So if you're paying an influencer money to do a post or a shout out of some sort on their story or their feed, and then you want to use that as an ad for your brand, you'll be able to do that now, okay, which is pretty cool. Instead of having to go and create it on your end, it'll already be there as a post, and you can maybe just take that post and run traffic to it, whether it be a conversion campaign or a PPE campaign or reach campaign, whatever you want to do, Instagram messenger ads or Facebook messenger ads. You'll be able to do it because it's already going to be a post in the Facebook system, and you'll be able to have access to that, okay, which is pretty cool. So if you guys thought that was useful, I would appreciate a comment below and let me know what you think of that. I did want to show you guys one other thing here. This why basically this was a graph of the increase of sponsored content by region, okay, and of course of North America. Here's the top one, and you can see over this is all the way through like February of 2019. You can see it's been just increasing on a steady clip as far as sponsored content goes. So brands are getting behind influencers, and it is becoming even more popular than it is already. And this is going to be useful. This was talking about how much percentage of 71% of the content is carousel post and 10% images and videos. Mix of 10 images and videos. Okay, make up. Basically, single image posts were 71%, and then the rest was the 18% was made up of videos and carousel posts. Okay, and so video is actually only still make up 10% of the influencer content. You'll probably start to see that number increase over time, I guess. Okay, so this is important. Basically, just saying that the influencers are becoming more popular. I think we all knew that. I don't think it's like common knowledge, but this graph shows that. And then what's cool, in the very near future, if it's not already available, you'll be able to run those posts as ads, which is very important. Now, let me show you guys a little trick here on Instagram, and I think you'll find this useful. I've had a couple people ask me how to do this, and I want to show you guys how to do this. So this is obviously my phone. I'm on my phone here, and let me put in password here. Now, if we go over to Instagram here, and we go to one of my profiles, let's go to, actually, got to go to the search bar here. And let's go to Vegas VIP services. Okay, that's one of my profiles. And I just set this up today, actually. Vegas, there's it is right there. Now take a look here. Notice that there's this little reserve button on here. Okay, and when we click on that, let's see where that takes us. Look at that. It takes us to a Yelp page. And that's my Vegas VIP services Yelp page. Pretty cool. Okay, definitely adds, I got 10 5-star reviews there. Definitely adds some credibility to the page. Okay, so let's set this up, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this today. We're going to go into my Bachelor Vegas. I haven't set it up there. Just to show you guys, I haven't set it up there, so I'm going to set it up here for the first time. Notice on Bachelor Vegas, it just says contact message, and then the following, okay? And I'm going to put a reserve button on there. All right, so let's go into Bachelor Vegas here, and we'll go to Bachelor Vegas. And then what you want to do is go on to edit profile right here, click on that. And then you're going to go down here to contact options, right down here, and you're going to click on this little arrow, contact options. And notice how it says here, add an action button. If you click on that, okay, notice all the different options here. Now, these are all like websites, like Eventbrite. Say I have an event running and I want to put a link in my profile to buy tickets. Well, that's where I'd put that link right there. But we're going to scroll down here to Yelp, okay? So we're going to click on Yelp, and then we're going to hit the next on the top right, next. And this is where we put in our Yelp URL. So I'm going to go into, I already grabbed my URL here, and this is going to be the one for Bachelor Vegas, okay? And we're just going to copy that. And then we're going to go back, and we're going to throw the link right in here, and boom, and click done. And then it says URL not valid. Just click done again. For some reason, it errors out, but it actually works. So I don't know if this happened to me on one profile, it errored out, and the other profile it didn't. So I don't understand why it's doing that. Stupid Instagram having some glitches, but it definitely works. Okay. So I've put that in there now. I'm going to click done, and then we need to go out of this profile to see this work. So let's go into Marketing Meathead again. And then we're going to search on Bachelor Vegas. We'll do a search for Bachelor Vegas. And boom, notice that we got the reserve button there now. Okay, that wasn't there before. We click on that. And there we go. There's our Bachelor Vegas 26 5-star reviews. Okay. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick demo of how to put the reserve button on there. Now you can put like Eventbrite there, and there's a whole bunch of different options in there, Open Table and whatnot. But I think Yelp's the best one for my particular business because it adds the most credibility when they click reserve and they see my, all my 5-star reviews. Looks really legit. Like I'm definitely a legit business with that many reviews and this nice profile with, a lot of followers and, nice posts and stories and whatnot. So, make sure you leave me a like below if you got something out of this video. Definitely trying to keep you guys up to date on the latest and greatest knowledge on this channel. Show you guys how to make money online with affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, and Shopify. Got tons of good stuff coming. If you're new to the channel, make sure you leave me a comment below. Make sure you like this video and pass it around to your friends. If you could share this video, I'd really appreciate it. It definitely helps the channel grow. We are growing at a nice clip, but I'd like to see it grow even faster. So a like, a share, a comment, any of that stuff always helps me out. I do appreciate you guys following me. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.